from human errors, maybe incorrect data updates, maybe some tables being dropped or some data being deleted by mistake. Right. Then you've got ASM, which handles all your storage, which will allow you to have high availability on the storage side by configuring redundant disk groups or failure groups as they're called. RMAN and fast recovery areas will allow you to have backups that can be put on disk and quickly recovered from if need be. Then you've got online edition-based redefinition, which basically is a new feature of the database 11G release 2, which allows you to keep your database up and running even during maintenance activities such as patching and upgrades. Then these are high availability features only on the local production data center. But for a maximum availability environment, you don't just want to protect yourself from hardware failures, you want to protect yourself all the way from disasters also, which is what is known as disaster recovery, or in other words, business continuity planning. The Exadata in conjunction with the Oracle database and other different software components provides maximum availability features in the form of Active Data Guard or Golden Gate, which will allow you to replicate in near real time all of your production databases over to a remote standby location. So for example, if my primary data center is running in Delhi, I could set up a secondary standby data center running in Mumbai and have the Exadata Database Machine configured such that all my data updates and data changes in Delhi are replicated over to Mumbai. That way, if for any reason, for example, if there's a fire in my data center and the unthinkable happens and everything is lost, I still have all of my data protected. Why? Because it is available in Mumbai. So what are the building blocks of maximum availability architecture? Basically, maximum availability architecture is not just a hardware or a software piece that we just implement and we're done. And it is a way of, pretty much a way of working. So you start with a lot of operational best practices that you should implement. You have several configuration practices and configuration changes that you do to make your maximum availability architecture work, and then there is the actual hardware, the physical and the software logical components themselves.